Everybody loves to eat cheddar.
But did you know that cheddar is also a verb?
We'll tell you more in a minute, but first, let's talk about the state of cheese.
I'm Elena. I'm a cheese professional with Wisconsin roots. Cheese is my life.
And I'm Alex, chef from Paris searching for the most amazing ingredients in the world.
We're cheese lovers. And we want to help you discover
Your next favorite cheese.
America is bonkers for cheddar. It's the second most popular cheese after mozzarella.
Cheddar, it's blocky, orange, and it goes well with cracker. It's predictable, right?
Wrong. Most people have no idea about the incredible range of great cheddars. It varies from white to orange and is aged from just a few months to 20 years.
The texture of cheddar is similar, but the variation is in the flavor, which span from mild to spicy and everything in between.
And nobody has been more creative with cheddar than Wisconsin.
Let's start with the Hook's 7-year aged cheddar. The color is beautiful on this one. I love the bright orange.
Yeah, it's really a nod to the tradition of using annatto to naturally dye the cheese.
I've got some sharpness immediately.
Classic. You know, the cheesemakers, Tony and Julie Hook, have been making cheese in Mineral Point for 45 years. And they've had cheddars as old as 20 years that they've sold.
Nice.
Pretty amazing. Here we have Maple Leaf's English Hollow Cheddar, aged about 12 months. And to me, you get that real savory note, but also a hint of buttercream in this one.
I got a fresh, young vibe in here. I see like some kind of a croque monsieur. You know croque monsieur? Sourdough bread, bit of butter, melt that properly, get some...
Well, I like a grilled cheese.
Yeah, it's the same. Croque monsieur, grilled cheese.
Very fancy. You know, Maple Leaf is actually named after an area in Wisconsin where there were a number of British immigrants. So it makes sense to make a cheddar.
There is way more to cheddar than I thought it would be.
There's a lot going on.
Okay, so how is cheddar a verb?
Cheddaring is when the cheesemaker cuts the curd into slabs,
Whoa,
then stacks and rotates them by hand.
by hand?
It's really hard physical work, but it's worth it. Cheddaring gives the cheese that signature texture.
That's amazing. Keep up the good cheddaring, Wisconsin.
Looking for your next favorite cheese? You'll find it in Wisconsin.
If you're craving more cheese knowledge, watch the rest of the State of Cheese video series.